Outside, winter's grip is firm, frost on the windows, frozen soil, and short, grey days. It's tempting to think gardening must wait for spring, but the growing season isn't over. It's just moving inside. We're not recreating summer, but embracing winter's pace by nurturing small pockets of life indoors. Even a windowsill or a shelf can become a miniature garden. The joy is in watching seeds sprout when the world outside is dormant. This is a quiet rebellion against winter gloom, a way to stay connected to the earth. You don't need fancy gear, just a spare corner and a bit of curiosity. Indoor gardening is about cherishing each plant, observing daily changes, and filling your home with the scent of fresh greens. It's a time for experimentation and hope, not just food. As the wind howls, let's create a green sanctuary inside. This is about more than growing food. It's about cultivating hope and keeping our hands in the soil. December is the perfect time to start, plan, dream, and plant the first seeds of the year. The garden isn't gone, it's just come inside to keep us company. Let's turn inward and nurture life through the darkest months. Every sprout is a promise that spring will return. Your indoor garden is a small act of optimism. Let's begin. Indoors, you become the sun and the soil for your plants. The main challenge isn't cold, but the lack of light and steady warmth. Find the warmest spots in your home, near radiators, on top of the fridge, or in an airing cupboard. Most seeds need gentle, consistent heat to wake up and grow. A cold windowsill may be bright but can chill roots and halt growth. Light is just as crucial. South-facing windows offer the best natural light in winter. Even so, seedlings may stretch for light and become spindly. This is called articulation. Supplement with grow lights if needed, or choose plants that tolerate lower light. Balance is key. Too much heat without light makes weak seedlings. Too much light without warmth and seeds won't sprout. Observe your home. Track sunlight and temperature throughout the day. Notice where the sun lingers and where surfaces feel warm. Become a student of your home's microclimate. With a little attention, you can create the perfect nursery for your winter garden. Even a small, well-chosen spot can become a haven for growth. Your home is now an ecosystem. Make it work for your plants. The interplay of light and warmth is your secret weapon. With these essentials, your indoor garden will thrive. Let's set the stage for success. Want to keep your plants warm? Cluster them together like penguins huddling for warmth. A single pot loses heat quickly, especially on a cold windowsill. Use dark-coloured pots. Black plastic absorbs and retains heat best. Cluster pots tightly in a tray. They'll insulate each other and share warmth. The middle pots stay especially cozy, creating a stable microclimate. This method also helps trap humidity, which is often lacking indoors in winter. Higher humidity reduces plant stress and keeps leaves lush. Clustering is simple, free, and effective. You're building a small plant community that supports itself. Warmth and humidity, no fancy equipment needed. Let your plants work together to thrive indoors. Some seeds need extra warmth to sprout. No need for expensive gear. Make a DIY heated shelf with a basic shelving unit and a string of old incandescent fairy lights, not LEDs. Lay the lights across a shelf, cover with a baking tray or foil-covered cardboard to diffuse heat. Place your seed trays on top. Gentle bottom heat will encourage germination. Use a timer or leave the lights on for a few days until seeds sprout. This setup mimics sun-warmed spring soil and boosts your success rate. It's cost-effective, easy, and satisfying to build. Give your seeds the warm start they crave. Your winter garden will thank you. Watering from above can flatten seedlings and cause disease. Bottom watering is gentler. Let pots soak up water from below. Place pots with drainage holes in a tray or dish. Add an inch of water and let the soil absorb it. This encourages deep, strong roots and keeps leaves dry, reducing disease risk. Remove pots once the soil surface is damp. Don't let them sit in water. Let soil dry slightly before watering again. Check by lifting the pot. This method builds resilient plants and prevents overwatering. It's simple, effective, and keeps seedlings healthy. Strong roots start with smart watering. Bottom watering is your secret to thriving seedlings. Winter indoor gardening is about picking the right plants. Skip tomatoes and cucumbers. Choose quick-growing greens and hardy herbs. Asian greens like mizuna, mabuna, and mustard thrive indoors and regrow after cutting. Hardy herbs such as chervil, coriander, and parsley do well in cooler, lower light. Sprouting seeds and microgreens are the fastest. Mung beans, alfalfa, and radish microgreens are ready in days. These crops are perfect for beginners and provide fresh harvests all winter. Microgreens and sprouts need little space or light, just a jar or tray. Fast results keep you motivated and your meals vibrant. Choose crops that match your space and light. Success is about working with the season, not against it. Enjoy fresh, homegrown greens even in December. You don't need high-tech gear for a thriving indoor garden. Simplicity wins. Focus on 3 pillars: warm soil, the right crops, and maximizing available light. Warm soil is key. Use your DIY heat shelf or cluster pots for passive warmth. Choose cool season crops like winter greens and hardy herbs. They're built for these conditions. A simple soil thermometer helps you find the warmest spots for germination. Make the most of your light. A south-facing windowsill is ideal, but keep glass clean and rotate plants regularly. Use a reflective background, white card or foil, to bounce more light onto your plants. Accept slower growth in winter. It's not a race. Simplicity makes gardening accessible and enjoyable. Work with your environment, not against it. These simple systems set you up for success. Your indoor garden can thrive with just a few smart choices. Your windowsill is the stage, and the sun is the spotlight. Plants lean toward light. Rotate pots a quarter turn daily to keep growth even and strong. This plant exercise prevents lopsided, weak stems. South-facing windows get the most sun. East and west are next best. North-facing windows suit only the lowest light crops or sprouts. Keep window glass clean for maximum light. Place a reflector, white card, foil, or a mirror behind your plants to bounce light onto shaded sides. This simple trick encourages compact, bushy growth. No electricity needed, just smart positioning. A little daily attention makes a big difference. Healthy, upright plants start with good light habits. As you nurture seedlings indoors, plan for their move outside. Hardy crops like broad beans, peas, and early cabbages can be started now for a head start in spring. Gradually acclimate them. Set outside for a few hours daily, increasing time over 2 weeks. This hardening off toughens plants for outdoor life. A cold frame helps with the transition. By spring, your plants will be strong and ready for the garden. Early indoor starts mean earlier, healthier harvests. Your winter efforts pay off with robust crops in the new season.